Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. The link will be down below where you get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping and also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, all you gotta do, click the link, add it to your cart, and check it out. Clip. Alright, we got here easy clip car mount Andobil. Here we go. Same thing. Oh no, this is different. Alright. We got some goodies in here. This is a different version. Alright, at first I'm like, wait, thought this was the same one. But we got this one. Bam. iPhone, Samsung, all the hottest new phones. Fits perfectly for. And we got this big boy. Put this on your dash. Arm extended. Just gotta close it like so. Once you find your way out. Whoops. That was not supposed to happen. I'll fix it though. Here we go. That's locked in. So you have it like this. And then you get one of these extra. Really nice. We're gonna hop in the car in a second. Yeah, I like these bent clips. So much easier to use now. Got the nice spin to it. The teeth right there. Oh yeah. So you take this little guy, spin it around, good old spinneroonie. Take this right here, put it right there, pop it in. See? Make sure you line it up. Oops. Sometimes it might go out of place, but that's alright. There we go. That's all you gotta do. Have some fun. There we go. Ready for your road trip? That's what it's for. Bam. Do it sideways. Maybe play games on the side too. Bam. Got a nice suction cup maybe on the window. Okay. I think that's for a window, I would assume. Andobil. Oh no, you can use a dash. Just make sure you clean it. The area you apply it to. I'm gonna just slap it on in a second. We'll go back to the car after I clean up. So that's really, oop, that's already stuck. That's that one. I'm probably gonna grab the Note 21. Gotta get that phone. So we'll oh, you can extend. All right. So you've got twists here. There you go, extend it. You want it right about there. There we go. Look at that. And I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. And then, oops. That came undone. And then pop, drop, and lock. Voila. Oh man, look at that. She is pretty strong. Pretty cool. That didn't hold too long. There's the back side. There's that side. There's that. Alright, hop in the garage right now. Once again, we are back in the garage. And we got this. We got the phone. Remove the sticky stuff. Just mount it wherever you want it. For right now, just for the video, we're going to mount it right there. And look at that. Make sure. And make sure you clean your surface. And look at that. Is this phone dead? I got to charge it. Oh, there we go. Boom. Oh. I didn't put it in. See, I said boom. Everything goes boom. Here we go. So definitely check these guys out. Like I said, that's a permanent place for it. Maybe right there. There we go. That was not a good spot where I had it. And this is a different type of car too, so it depends on where your dash is located at. Just find a nice spot for it. Or you can always adjust the arm bar. But I like the old vent style holders a lot better. So, like I said, check them out. See what other items they have to offer besides this one. And you guys be safe. Well, have a good weekend. See you soon.